Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Mr. 3D. In today's video, we are diving into the Mega Fleet Pro, an impressive library packed with over 120 vehicles, all of which are rigged and ready for animation. This collection features an extensive range of models, including sports cars, vintage cars, SUVs, bicycles, and many more types of vehicles, making it a fantastic resource for any 3D artist looking to save time. If you are interested in adding this incredible library to your toolkit, just head over to the link in the description. There you can find more details and possibly grab it with the coupon code HAPPYBDAY2024 before the 31st of August for 30% off. And one thing to note that the library will expand to 300 vehicles in the coming updates. The best bang for buck is the Pro version, which includes all 120 vehicles. But if you get the light version, then you only get 30 vehicles for $60. So that is way too expensive. So if you are getting it, you gotta go for this one. So with all that being said, let's dive into Blender to see this in action. So here I have opened up a scene with a light and a plane to demonstrate to you. So the first thing you have to do once you download the add-on from Blender Market is to go over to Edit, Preferences, under Add-ons, click on Install and locate to wherever you have downloaded the zip file. Then click on Install, just search for it and make sure to enable it. Save preferences and you're good to go. To get started, just press N key on your keyboard and look for the Mega Fleet Pro panel right here. Click on it and here you will see that the UI is very simple and easy to work with. So first we have the categories of vehicles you can choose from. Let's say you want electric vehicles, you have them right here. You want convertibles, you have here. Crossover SUVs, emergency vehicles, and some emopods, scooters, transportations, pickups, and many more to choose from. Let's first import this Tesla Model Y. Just select it, click on Add Vehicle, and it is going to add it right here in the middle of our scene. Then I would like to just go over to the viewport shading mode just to see the quality of the model, and you can also see that it's rigged. So right now it's imported as a collection instance. To make it editable and real, just simply click on interaction mode and this will make the collection instance to real. Then you can just simply select your vehicle and move it around however you want, maybe the window, just like that. And now here you also have the option for car paints. So you get 3 different types of paints: metallic, matte, and shiny. And from here you can select the color you want. Let's say I want this light green. I will select the body, click on add material, and this is our material. You can just change the color if you want to. There you have it. Maybe a bit brighter one. You have it right here. If you want high quality car paints, then you should definitely take a look at the car paints collection by B Production. You get more than 180 procedural 100% customizable car paints. Here I will also show you a demo of these. And here you can see we have a bunch of different categories, like we have candy, glossy, import the iridescent if you want, and then you can go over to the material properties panel and just customize the way it looks and change it to your liking. You have matte paints, you have carbon fiber. Now this is forged blue carbon fiber. So that's all about the car paints collection. Now let's go over here and talk about the rigging stuff. So in this panel you can see that we have a separate panel for rigging. This button lets you download Rig a Car add-on, which is free, and once you download it, just simply install it the way we installed Mega Fleet Pro, and you will see a panel of it right here. It comes with all the features that you need for perfect rig. It's a bit too much for this video. You can watch any other YouTube video about Rig a Car add-on. Maybe I will link some in the description. But this rig is very cool. Like you have the tires and the stuff. You have suspension and you can control it the way you want and get realistic animations. So that is all about it. Let's take a look at few more vehicles. So I will go ahead and add some from the sports car category. And here you can see we have right here this Porsche 911 GT3. And to show you the detail of the mesh, you can just simply go into edit mode and you can see that it's very beautiful. Like, these are high quality cars for high quality animations. Let's also add an emergency vehicle right here. So that is all about the Mega Fleet Pro. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. And of course, if you like this video or you found it useful, you can give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel so that you never miss out on any of my future uploads. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one. Peace out.